Is your industrial washing machine powered on but not spinning? This is one of the most common problems. Many users assume a motor failure, but that is rarely the real cause. Unbalanced loading activates safety, protection, and stops rotation. If the door lock is not fully engaged, the drum will not spin. Some programs include delayed spin or low speed stages, which are often misunderstood as failure. Water level imbalance or safety sensors can all stop drum rotation. To protect the machine, always check loading balance and program settings first before assuming a hardware failure. Proper checks can save time and repair costs.